Well, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Google Pixel 7 phone or your Google Pixel phone. So swipe down from the top right and go to Settings. Then scroll on down until we get to System. Then right here we can see Software Update. So we can go to System Update and we can just check to see if there's an update for our system software. We're good to go, it looks like, so we can back out. And then we got a Google Play Service Update. So it looks like there's 3 different areas to check for an update. And most of this should just update in the background, unless your phone has been off for a while, or whatever reason this isn't turned on. So it looks like we have all these different options in here. We can sync apps to device, no harmful apps found. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.